How to fix Cash App transfer failed. If you want to fix transfer failed on Cash App, it is actually quite very simple to do so. But there might not just be one reason, there could be many reasons for this if you're facing this kind of error. So first, let's just check a couple of information. From your Cash App, you can go to linked account section. From there, you can go to your debit card and you can try to remove or replace the debit card. If you have another account, a bank account as well, you can try to do that as well. Now, some of the information could be that your incorrect card information or unsupported card types, because Cash App does not support PayPal, ATM cards, or business debit cards. It also does not support expired, cancel, or deactivated card. Make sure the cash tag is correct, and there could also be some security reasons as well. If you're not being able to fix it regardless of the payment method, the only alternative that I can suggest you is that you try to contact Cash App support team at support@cash.app, which is their email, or you can try to go ahead and then talk to a customer representative and see what they tell you. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.